This video shows a quick workflow for using Workflowy's new calendar feature. So we added calendar recently to make it easy for you to plan your day, or to journal, or to capture notes, or add just a little bit of structure to help you get organised. It's a reason to use Workflowy on a daily basis. It just helps you stay organised throughout your day. So I just want to show how I actually use the calendar. So I start off, I open my Workflowy. This is my Workflowy account, and you can see that I have a node called calendar. This just looks like a normal standard Workflowy list, but it's actually got dates, date tags, which we will talk about in another video, already in place. And what that actually means is that this is a bit of a special node, which has its own unique functionality, which we'll go into a little bit. There are a couple of different ways of using the calendar. We have in the header a button which says today, and in the sidebar as well, which if I were to click that, which I'll go ahead and do now, leads me into a specific node for today. And you can see that there are some navigation buttons to go backwards and forwards. There's a date picker, which enables me to jump around to any date in the past or present. The little dots show you dates which have actually got tasks or content and already within that date. I've also got some options which enable me to configure the calendar, including configuring friendly day names and also the layout itself. We'll talk a little bit about found dates in a little while. So what we can see here is, and going back today, is that I've got some tasks. So the first thing I do when I start work in the morning is open today, and I can see which tasks I decided I was going to work on yesterday. And I can do some prioritization in the moment, just micro prioritization, to decide what I'm going to work on. So to start it for today, I've decided I'm not actually going to work on these two tasks. I'm going to move them. And so I multiple selected them here, and I have some options where I can send them to a different date. I could move them to tomorrow, move them to next week, or I could move them to any date in the future. I'm going to move them to next week. And as you can see, that's happened. They've now moved. And so now I have within today all of the things which I'm planning to work on throughout that day. There's one other bit of functionality which I just wanted to show, which was this idea of being able to search for any dates, any date tags, and have them appearing in your calendar. So let's say that in my inbox node, I've captured a new task. Like so. I can then add a date tag to it by either typing the actual keyword or using the date picker by typing 2 exclamation points. Then if I go to my calendar, I've got this found dates section where my recently captured and dated note has appeared. And I can do 2 things. I can leave it where it is in the inbox and it will just always show for this date, or I can actually drag it and it will now be living in my calendar. So that is how I use Workflowy Calendar. It's just a simple way of getting organised, and just brings a little bit of structure and organisation to your day.